ठीक है, तो ये नोट डाउन कर लो. सो दैट इज रूल नंबर 10, दैट इज रूल नंबर 11. ओके फाइन. Where is that duster? Okay, now next is your rule number 12. Rule number 12. Now it's going to be too more typical than WH words. Then is M R plus ing and then your question mark. अब इसको कैसे चेंज करोगे? ठीक है, जैसे अभी सेंटेंस दिखाया हमने आपको. सेंटेंस क्या था? इक्षिता बोल रहा है.
Where does he place his books?
Who was
Looking into the matter.
looking
Into the matter.
into the matter? Yes. Now convert it. Who को मैंने बोला आपको WH by whom में चेंज करना है. Rest WH word will remain same. So let's first of all discuss the rule. Then it will be WH words, or in case of who it will become by whom. Right? Then okay, first you try.
By whom is looking into the matter.
देखो, when we are converting the positive sentence with ing is what? What is ing means?
Looking.
I told you ing means international ganja. Okay, but I told you that ing means that ing never comes in active voice. It will never come with the alone. It will never come alone. So it will always come with is mr plus was word. Okay. But when you are converting the passive voice of it, then in positive sense it was being plus third form. Is mr plus being plus third form. In the similar way, do the same thing. WH word, then is mr plus object. Listen. Plus object plus being, right? Plus third plus object. Plus subject, sorry. So let's make it happen. So now, who will be converted into?
By object be my.
See, listen. WH words, okay? Plus is mr plus object plus being being plus third plus subject. Okay? तो मैं आपको बताया कि जो पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव है ना वो थोड़े इजी हैं. To change, to convert them into passive voice is easy, but when it comes to the questions, then it is a little complicated. Right? Okay. So let's do it. Okay. So by whom? Now the object is here. By whom? By whom is the matter? Is the matter?
Is the matter being?
Good. Is the matter being?
Is the matter being?
By whom? Looking. No. Listen. Looked. By whom? That's all. We are not
By
going
whom
to
is the matter being
looked. That's all. It's okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Right? Very simple. Who was looking into the matter? That is, by whom is the matter being looked? That's all. There is no need to add extra by here because we have already added by at the beginning of the sentence.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Shall we do one more? Shall we try for one more ing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do it. Let's make it happen. Yes, this is good one. What were they searching for? What? WH80. What were they?
What were they?
Oh. What were they searching for? What were they searching for? Right? So again, ing. Rule number 12 will apply. Okay? ing वाला है तो rule number 12 apply करना है. No. Why are you changing? What change नहीं होगा? अगर who है सिर्फ who को ही change करना है, rest you are not going to change, then push कर try बच्चों. थोड़े tough है sentence. 10th में हो आप, 9 10th में हो आप, तो थोड़ी टफ होने दीजिए। पहले करो फिर मेरे को बताओ। सिंपल, देखो, what were they searching for? What were they searching for? What? देखो जैसे हम पॉजिटिव में करते थे, जैसे मैंने आपको 12 से पहले वाले रूल बताए थे आईएनजी का, तो वहां पे पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस में क्या था? There it was when like I have given you the exam also. Rama was making a kite. Yeah, Rama is making a kite. What will be the passive voice of this one? Rama is making a kite. Akshar.
Right.
Hang on. Akshar. Rama is making a kite. Passive voice में करो.
Making a kite.
हाँ.
A kite.
Useless fellow. I will throw you outside from here. Ikshita.
Can you repeat the sentence?
Rama is making a kite.
Rama is making a kite. Making a kite. A kite is being.
हाँ. Make in her form. Made किसने बोला?
Made.
हाँ.
A
सुना.
kite is being made by Rama.
That's all. So similar same way here is being plus third form. Is a verb plus being, but it is were here. So were is there. So again were plus be. Okay. So see, do it.
By what?
No, not by words. No, by नहीं आएगा तो what लेके आओ पहले. देखो मैंने आपको क्या बोला है, रूल के अकॉर्डिंग चलो. रूल के अकॉर्डिंग चलो. अगर तो who है तब चेंज होगा by whom में. अगर नहीं है तो उस क्वेश्चन वर्ड को वैसे का वैसे रखो और उसमें by आएगा लास्ट में फिर. ठीक है. देखो अब देखिए कैसे करते हैं. What, ठीक है. Now हाँ, what is being, sorry, was है
Server.
नहीं बच्चा. what सिंगुलर, कोई चीज ढूंढी जा रही है. समथिंग जब जहां पे आपको ऑब्जेक्ट क्लियर ना हो कि क्या चीज है, ठीक है, क्या चीज ढूंढ रहे हो, तो समथिंग डाल दो. ठीक है. या इसको कुछ इस तरह से बना दो कि अभी देखना है इसका कैसे बनेगा. what was being
What was being
searched.
searched? Yes, sir.
No, them is also there. What, yes, what was being searched by them. That's all, simple. Tanika, got it? Susan. Okay, can we do one more?
Yes, sir.
ING वाला थोड़ा complicated है. Let's do has and have, right? Questions? हाँ. Why had they disturbed us?
Why
Why had they
had they?
disturbed us? Rule number, let's make it rule number 13. Yeah. Why had they disturbed us? Yogesh, you will try this time now. Now, rule number 13. WH words. Has, have और had. Sentence है आपका. Why they disturbed us. Why had they disturbed us? यहाँ पे सिंपल सा मैं हिंट दे रहा हूँ आपको. us को चेंज करो we में.
Yes, sir.
Us will be changed into we. Now, firstly, let's discuss the rule. WH word has, have, had, or then question mark. Simple, easy. WH word who के अलावा अगर है तो उसको ऐसे कैसे रखो. Then has, have, had. तीनों के लिए सेम होगा अप्लाई. ठीक है. इन तीनों में से एक लगाओ जो भी आपके एक्टिव वॉइस के सेंटेंस में है. Then प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट.
Sir, being. Sir, being.
ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद बीन आएगा. क्वेश्चन है ये, क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है. ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद बीन आएगा. Then your third form and then last subject. ठीक है. So like this way, keep this thing in mind and try to convert this sentence. Why had they disturbed us? Why had they disturbed us? In Hindi you can say उन्होंने हमें disturb क्यों किया था.
Sir, Why had we been disturbed by them?
Why?
had we been disturbed by them?
Yes, Yogesh. What have you done?
Sir, why had we been disturbed by them?
Okay, let's see. Sit down. Okay, well, देखो पहले रूल को समझो, ठीक है? Active voice, passive voice. Those who are watching this video, these are compatible for bank PO, bank clerical, army, police, right? For the sentence correction part, these kind of questions come. So if you're watching this, watch carefully. So I'm doing it a little bit advanced. So इससे पहले वाले रूल हमने पहले वाली क्लासेस में कर लिए हैं, और मैंने वीडियो बनाई थी इससे पहले, देखिए वो पहले किसी ने बहुत पहले एक्टिव वॉइस पैसिव वॉइस की वो झुग्गी में बनाई थी मैंने। हाँ ठीक है, चलो फिलहाल ये देखते हैं इसको कैसे करना है। आपके सीडीएस में भी आता है बच्चों, सीडीएस में आता है, सीडीएस का एग्जाम होता है, उसमें भी इंग्लिश का एक पूरा पेपर आता है, उसमें सेंटेंस करेक्शन का एक पार्ट होता है, उसमें गलत सेंटेंस दिए होते हैं। अगर आपका वॉइस का नॉलेज अच्छा है तो यू कैन मेक दैट करेक्ट, ठीक है। नाउ फाइन, तो ये समझना है हमने शॉर्टकट से। टेंस ही जरूरी नहीं है, बट ये टेबल याद रखो, बस सिंपल सा फंडा है। व्हाई हैड दे बीन डिस्टर्ब्ड अस? व्हाई, डब्ल्यूएच वर्ड को ऐसे रखो, ठीक है, सॉरी, व्हाई, देन us will be changed into we. Why, sorry, this one now, why had, why had we then been, do slowly, 9th class, if you are taking time, take time, don't worry, right? Why had we been, then your third form is already here, so you need not to think much,
Disturbed
right?
by them.
Disturbed
By them.
by,
Them.
now they will be changed into
Them.
them. So that will be more shorter. Why had they
Why had
they disturbed
Why
us? Why had we been disturbed by them? That is your this one. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Simple as that. Then the last one.
Yes, sir. Very simple.
This is a little bit more typical, but let's see that will you be able to do or not. Who will have helped him?
Who
Will have
will have
helped him. Okay, I'll raise it up. Who will have who will have helped him? So that is going to be rule number
14?
will वाला है, सिंपल सा मैडम कर दूंगी will वाला है। हाँ ठीक है दोस्तों, तो फिर भी सिंपल हु है तो चेंज अगेन, फिर से बताता हूँ इसको कन्वर्ट कैसे करना है। स्पेशली व्हेन देयर इज WH वर्ड्स देन देयर इज विल और शैल, ये मैंने करवा दिया है अभी, शायद ये हो गया है।
Sir, have me वाला नहीं करवाया।
परफेक्ट है, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट है,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है। सिंपल सा फंडा क्या है, जब भी देखो कई बार टेंसेस भी हो सकता है, बट इफ यू कीप, आपको सिर्फ देखना है एक्टिव वॉइस में भी है, विल हैव है और थर्ड फॉर्म है, ठीक है। तो ये इसको कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है, सिंपल सा फंडा देखो, WH वर्ड थोड़ा टिपिकल है, करते हैं। फिर उसके बाद will and shall, right? Then plus have plus object
Plus be.
plus being, then third form, then subject. This seems little lengthy, but if you are able to do, then you can do it easily. Ikshita.
By whom will by whom will he? Sorry, by whom will have he been helped?
Subject कहाँ गया? Object कहाँ गया? By whom?
By whom will have he been will help him?
देखो देखो बच्चों, जो और है by whom, उसके बाद हमने will लगाना है। रूल के अकॉर्डिंग चलो बस। अगर आपको ये फंडे याद है ना, तो आप इजीली पैसिव वॉइस कर लोगे। आइडेंटिफाई करना चाहिए, मतलब जरूरी नहीं होता कि इसका हिंदी में मतलब क्या हो, मतलब जरूरी नहीं है कि टेंस इसका मतलब कौन से टेंस का है क्या है, नहीं, सिर्फ आइडेंटिफाई, ठीक है। बाय हूम, देन विल
have
will he have been, I was thinking like this, will he have been, will then okay then subject must come here. Let me check. I'm wrong, I guess. Have been will come together. Here will be the gap. Like by him, will shall. Then let me modify this little rule. Plus subject will come here. Okay.
By whom will
Then
he have
been.
been helped?
Then been, and here object will come. Sorry. By him, object will come. Okay. Now let's try to make it. By whom will he?
He has been.
He have been helped.
He has been helped.
By whom will he? By whom will he
Have
Have
been
been
helped.
helped.
have been
Helped.
helped? That's what. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So we'll discuss more. So I'll give you the exercise. You also. So do this at home and practice. Thank you.